Hi friends, welcome to Insurance Decoder, and in this video I will discuss about LIC Tech Term Plan, which is the plan number 854. Friends, you know LIC is the largest insurance provider and this is the number one term plan in India. The LIC Tech Term Plan is always number one term plan in India. You will get to know each and everything about this term plan in this video. So I will tell you about the features of this term plan, the eligibility criteria of this term plan, and the premium payment options available in this term plan, as well as the premium calculation table. And then we'll discuss about the death benefit options available in this plan and the other features which you should know if you are buying this term plan. So overall, if you will watch this video till end, all your queries, all your questions related to LIC Take Term Plan will be solved in this video. So don't forget to watch it till end. Don't skip the video, everything will be covered. And how you can buy this term plan online, I will make a video on this. The next video, I will cover that part also. So you don't forget to watch that part also. So let's first see the eligibility criteria in this term plan. So minimum entry age is 18 years and the maximum age at entry is 65 years. So the window of purchasing this term plan starts from 18 years till 65 years. So those below 18 years cannot buy this term plan and those above 65 years cannot buy this term plan. Further, you should be an earning person because you will have to provide income proof if you want to buy this term plan. So housewives, students and those unemployed persons cannot buy this term plan. Then the minimum sum assured, here you will have to take at least 50 lakh rupees sum assured, and maximum sum assured is there is no limit. However, the maximum sum assured will be decided depending upon your income. If you want to go for the lower sum assured, the ADI has recently launched the Saral Jeevan Bima plan, where you can buy the sum assured starting from 5 lakh up to 25 lakh. So I have made a video on that Saral Jeevan Bima policy. If you want to watch, you can go see the link in description box. The link is also appearing above. You can watch from there also. And then we'll see that the minimum policy term. Here, the LIC take term, you'll have to take at least for 10 years and the maximum you can go up to 40 years. So from 10 years to 40 years, you can take this term plan and the maximum age at maturity is 80 years. So after 80 years, you will not be covered under this plan. Suppose if your age is 18 years and you want to take the policy of 40 years, then the maximum up to 58 years you will be covered. So you cannot go up to 80 years because the maximum term plan is for 40 years. So 18 plus 40 is 58 years. Similarly, if your age is say 60 years and you want to go for the maximum policy term, then you have the 20 years available because after 20 years your age will be 80 years. So you cannot go above 80 years. So this kind of conditions will be applied. Then we'll see about the premium payment options. So in this policy, you have the premium payment options like regular premium. In the regular premium, if you have taken the policy for 40 years, then you will have to prepay the premium for 40 years. If you have taken the policy for 30 years, then you will have to pay the premium for 30 years. That is called regular premium. But if you want to pay for the limited premium options, then you have two options available. The first option is limited for 5 years. You can pay premium for 5 years only, and the second option is limited for 10 years. So that means if your policy is set say 20 years, then you can pay the premium for 15 years or you can pay the premium for 10 years. So policy period minus 5 years, policy period minus 10 years. And the third option is single premium option, which is not available in this policy like it is available with HDFC and ICICI, which is not available in LIC Tech Term. Options for sum assured, you have two options for sum assured. First option is level sum assured. In this, the sum assured will remain same throughout the policy period. So if you have taken a term plan of 1 crore, so your policy sum assured will remain 1 crore from day 1 till the policy end. But if you want to go for the other option, which is increasing sum assured, here the sum assured will keep increasing. How it will keep increase? For the first 5 years, the sum assured will remain same. After 5 years, from 6th year till 15th years, policy sum assured will keep increasing by 10%. So for another next 10 years, it will keep increasing by 10%. 10 multiply 10, 100%. That means at the end of 15th year, your policy sum assured will be double. Thereafter, it will not increase. So in level sum assured, after the end of 15th year, your sum assured will be double. That is the difference. However, there will be difference in the premium also that I will discuss. If you want to go for level sum assured, premium will be less. If you want to go with increasing sum assured, premium will be higher. Now we'll take an example premium for rupees 1 crore sum assured for different age group. If they want to go for 1 crore sum assured policy, what will be the premium? So here in our table, we will see the age, then policy term, premium term, and annual premium. If the person want to go with same sum assured, that means level sum assured. And if the person want to go with increasing sum assured, as I told, that sum assured amount will be doubled after the 15th year. So first see the 20-year person, if he wants to take a policy for 40 years, then he will have to pay the premium for 40 years. In our example, this is a regular premium payment term. So you will have to pay the premium for 40 years and the annual premium will be 7,216. This does not include the GST because GST keep changing. This amount will remain same. So annual premium, if you want, if the 20-year person want to go with, then he will have to pay 7,216 for the level sum assured. And if you want to go with increasing sum assured, then his premium will increase from 7,216 to 11,340. Similarly, if a 25-year person wants to take a policy of 40 years, then he will have to pay the premium for 40 years and his annual premium for the same sum assured will be 9,064 rupees. However, if he wants to go with increasing sum assured, he will have to pay 15,030 rupees. For a 30-year-old person, for 40-year policy, the annual premium for regular payment will be 11,968 for same sum assured and 20,790 for increasing sum assured. If a 35-year person wants to take a policy of 40 years, then he will have to pay the premium for 40 years. Then annual premium will be 17,100 for same sum assured and it will be 30,452 for increasing sum assured. And if a 40-year-old person wants to take a policy of 40 years, then he will have to pay annual sum premium of 24,480 plus GST for the same sum assured amount. And if he wants to go with increasing sum assured, then he will have to pay the premium of 14,344 rupees. So this is the table. From there you can find out that how you want to go with. In my next video, I will tell you how you can calculate individual specific premium. If your age is say 21 years, you want to take a policy for 40 years or want to take a policy for 39 years, how you can decide, calculate the premium. That I will tell in the next video where I will tell you how to buy the policy online. So this is an indicative list. From there you can also compare with other term insurance providers. Anyway, we will be covering in some other video about that which insurance company is cheaper. Now about the options for availing death benefit. So for availing the death benefit, the LIC gives the following options. The entire sum assured can be taken in one payment. And if the person wants to go, it can be paid in installments of 5 years, 10 years, 15 years. These installments can be monthly installments, quarterly installments, half yearly installments, or yearly installments. Similarly, there is the third option wherein the partial amount can be taken in single payment and the remaining part can be paid in installments of 5, 10, or 15 years. The LIC pays you interest if you want to go with installment. If you want to take in the one payment, then there will not be an interest. However, if you want to avail the benefit in 5, 10 to 15 years installments, then LIC will pay you interest on the amount. But there is a condition that this option shall be exercised by the insurance holder. This option cannot be exercised by the nominees. So if you are an insurance holder, you can decide that how your claim amount to be paid to your nominees. So this option is available with insurance holder, not with the nominees. That you have to keep in mind. And this option can be changed any number of times till the person dies or till the maturity of the policy. Now we'll talk about some important features that you should keep in mind if you are buying the term insurance policy, especially the LIC Tech Term Plan. The lower premium for non-smoker. They have given the lower premium for non-smokers and females. And you can also take the accidental death benefit rider with this policy at very lucrative rates. The higher sum assured can be taken if the person dies, if the person has taken accidental death benefit rider and he dies in any kind of accident, then this additional sum assured will be paid to the nominees. And then another feature is that this is an online policy. Generally, people have apprehension that if they will buy policy from LIC, then majority of their part will go to the commission to the agents. However, in this policy, since LIC sells this policy online, so there will not be any kind of intermediary between you and LIC. So there will not be any commission payment. So direct benefit will be transferred to you in terms of lower premium payment. And this is a term plan, so there will not be any kind of maturity benefit, no loan against policy. Here, if I say that there will not be any maturity benefit, it means if a person has taken a policy for 70 years and if he does not die in 70 years, then there will not be any payment from LIC. It does not happen in any kind of term plan. However, if the person dies before 70 years, then LIC will pay the family the sum assured amount. So friends, that's all for the LIC Tech Term. I hope you have got all the information related to LIC Tech Term. If you like the video, please don't forget to click the like button. And if you want to share it with your friends, family members, please don't forget to share it. And if you are not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel. We provide insurance related videos, exclusively insurance related videos, nothing else. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.